You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Wait, don't you know the wheel had colorful becoming writing?
What happened?
The wheels had colorful.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
And you gotta be careful with your feet, okay?
Why?
Huh?
Why?
So you won't hurt your feet. You want to get the tire to burn your skin. And obviously they're going up. They're gonna come down. My daughter loves it. Watch. Okay, Jada.
What?
What are you gonna do now?
I'm gonna ride this.
You gonna ride this?
Yeah, I said
You gonna go up the hill with it?
No, probably not.
Huh?
Probably not.
Wait, what? Wait, what? Your shirt says wait, what? Slow down, slow down.
This is faster material.
Yeah, because he has a bike and you got a scooter. What's your expect? Where's your phone?
In the house?
It's charging?
No.
What? Why don't you have it charged?
Hello?
Why don't you have it charged?
Right?
Huh?
It's in your backpack, right?
No. You have it. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Just don't lose it. Or don't break it.
No, because do you want to play football?
Yeah. I watch you guys play football. I could film you guys. Jojo, you guys want to go play football with them?
In a little, yeah. Wait, y'all gonna leave me? I can't wait to leave that.
Yo, Dad.
I can't wait. No.
What happened, baby?
Yo, usa eso que te lleva la bola por ahí. Naomi!
What happened? What happened?
What?
What are you gonna say?
Where's my charger?
Yo,
You have my charger?
It's in the book bag.
Alright.
I'll be back.
Where you guys going, Joel?
Huh?
What you guys doing?
Around the block.
Yeah.
Take the long way.
Jason went
my second heart.
Yeah.
Look,
Daddy,
that's my
Daddy
second heart.
wants me and Jada because they're gonna ride together. I can ride the main bike.
All right, so write it. And where's JC?
Jada, come on! Ride the scooter! I ride the main bike!
Jada, you're not going with them.
I know them.
Oh, yeah, I might be behind you, baby. Go ahead. Go ahead. Come on, like. Jojo. Jojo. Make sure you guys are safe, man.
Dad, tie my sneakers. I'll hold the camera.
So you can tie your own sneakers?
They untie when I tie them.
Here, hold this.